Good afternoon, you lucky people. Mr. Wonderful here. Hope everybody's doing well. It's nearly short weather today. -4. Yeah, it's quite warm. it ain't too bad to be honest. So today, I'm not doing a ring. And I had a couple of comments about my table starting to look a bit sad, so I tidied it up. I made the effort. So I forgot who left the comments, but yeah, cheers, fella. It needed it. And somebody asked me what this little box is for. I have used it in the past, but I've got a lot of new subscribers. So this makes a heart. So first of all, I've got to make a ring. I use a 1/2-inch punch. I hope everybody's doing fantastic today. I'm doing pretty good. I posted off a few rings today. I posted Natasha's ring off today as well. So Natasha, it's on its way. Priority. Right, 1/2-inch punch. Bloody blah. Let's go over to the lady in red. Lady in red. Up she rises, baby. Right. I've been watching some of the Olympics. Right. That went through quite nicely. Somebody was also commenting on the amount of drops of the liver of sulphur I put in. Yeah, I only put 2 in. So where's everybody watching this from? Where are you from? Drop it in the comments. I know a couple of my subscribers watch my videos. Bears from the States. Where are you from? Come on, tell me. You can tell me where you're from. Right. Just want to clean up this edge, make sure there's no Brussels sprouts going in there or carrots and stuff like that. Come on, where are you from? Tell me. It won't affect your benefits, honestly. If you'd like to hit the like button, I'd love you forever. If you're looking for a custom order, custom ring or anything, I'll help you make you one. Alright, let's show it a bit of affection with Bernie. I haven't done one of these hearts for a long time. So if you're new to the channel, there's a new one for you. It's quite popular on the Helsinki market in the summer. I make them out of quarters or anything. But I can't make them out of 2 bigger coins. Right, that's hotter than the sun. No, it's not. It is, believe me. Have you ever been to the sun? Well, I have. Many times. Right. So, let's break out dimples. What side are we going to go with? Well, it's going to have to be this one, isn't it? This is going to go face down in dimples. Good old trusty ball bearing. We go over to big red. And it just wants a little bit of a squeeze me. You know how to please me. Right. I don't need that anymore, but I do need, which one of these do I need? Maybe this one? Yeah, that'll work. Bit of the old jollop in there. Makes things slide around a bit easier. Right. My little cairn. Now I'm giving up on the magnets. They keep breaking up. And the bits of magnets seem to get stuck to everything. So right. That ain't too shabby. Yeah, that's pretty good. There you go. Right, I'll go over to the one and only. Oh yeah, I'll have to stop the video. Otherwise, when I turn the camera, it goes crazy. So I'll be back in a sec when I've got it lined up. Okay, right. This is Spike, the ring stretcher. And he stretches your ring. Now I want to take this to a size 9. This is bronzy copper, so it's easy to do. I need the monitor. I can't see jack. I've got the wrong glasses on today. Oh, that's 10. Let's nip down to the bottom end of Spike. Here's a reduction dice. Getting a bit closer. Let's get a bit more intimate, shall we, guys and girls? Yeah, why the hell not? There you go. Make sure it's nice and square. Looking for a size, oh, did I say size 9, didn't I? Yeah. Okay. I went a bit too much of the I probably didn't do jack shit. Oh, sorry. Language, Timothy. We'll get in there. Right, next one along. Like DJing, isn't it? Bit of scratching. Sorry about that. I'm not sorry about that at all. Right, little squeeze. Oh, that might have been too much. We're looking for a 9, size 9. Well, that ain't. Well, that is size 9, isn't it? Hey, he's a clever boy then. Right, so now we come over to this little gadget. We put a coin in. Like so. We go back over. Big red. And we just give it a little bit of love. Not too much love, or it gets carried away. There you go. One heart made out of a halfpenny. So let's polish it up. Oh, I won't use cake bush because there's hardly any. There's no fire scale on it anyway. So let's break out the one and only Felton John. He's looking a bit ropey nowadays, isn't he? Old Felton. Right. How old is he now? He must be getting on a bit. He's still standing though. Just. Oops a daisy. Bit of polish, too much as usual. Perfect. Right. Get a bit warm. Right, let's check out the damage. Let's clean off the old mingers first. These do come with an adjustable cord. Oh, I have a black cord with an extended chain and a lock on it, you know, the usual sketch. It comes with it. I do now have some, I do have silver chains if you're interested, but most women have got silver chains knocking around at home. I've also got some nice stainless steel chains as well. How's it looking? Is it looking any good? There you go. One heart-shaped halfpenny. Halfpenny. 1941. That was a good year, that was, wasn't it? Yeah. So I do have some proper double jump rings, but this is a single one. I can't find the other ones at the moment, but this is just to show you the game, you know. As usual, I can't find jack. These are quite good though. These ones they're made of stainless steel. Bloody polish all over my bloody fingers again. Bloody. Oh, you know what I'm doing anyway. Jesus wept. Just me a mess as usual. There you go. One halfpenny heart pendant. So thanks for watching. If you'd like to hit the like button, please do. And I hope you're all having a great week. It fits this finger absolutely perfectly. So yeah, have a great week. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Try and make someone smile. I'll see you on the next episode of Mr. Wonderful. And you lot can have this. Have it.